Okay, students, now that you have two tabs open and you know how to move between them, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste, because on the next page, you'll see questions like this. Questions that ask you something like, what does the timeline state about 1901? Okay, so you should be in the New York timeline. Now, to get to that again, if somehow you got lost, you click on States Edition, you click on New York, and on the left here is timeline. So here we are in the timeline, and we need to know what happened in 1901. So it looks like the dates are going up, so let's scroll down. 1800, 1900, 1901. President William McKinley is assassinated in Buffalo, New York. Well, not a very nice fact, but a true fact. And we need to get this sentence from here into this answer box, and we don't want to type the whole thing. So to do that, we would highlight the sentence by clicking with the mouse and dragging just to get the sentence. We don't want to go down here and get that 1932. We just want the sentence, and I can let go. I have that sentence highlighted. I'm going to right click with the mouse, select copy. Yours might look a little different, but you want copy. And then we're going to go back to Knowledge Quest and right click and paste our answer into the box. Look at that. Sure beats typing the whole thing from scratch. So now that we know how to do this, it gets really fast. You can do this quickly. What does the timeline state about 1932? Back to Culturegrams, scroll down. 1932, Lake Placid hosts the Winter Olympics. Did you know that? In Lake Placid, they hosted the Olympics in 1932. Well, we can copy this, right-click, copy, back to Knowledge Quest, right-click, paste. Now, what does the timeline state about 1980? We go back to the timeline, scroll down, oop, too far. 1980. Lake Placid again hosts the Winter Olympics. Okay, well, that's interesting. Twice they hosted it. Now, if you want to be really fast at copying, you can right-click copy. That's a good way. But if you want to be fast, you highlight that sentence. Hopefully you can do better than I. And you hit Control-C to copy it. And then to paste it super fast, you can hit Control-V. Make sure to hold down that control. Look how fast that is. Okay, so here's a different type of a question. Why do you think Lake Placid was chosen to host the Winter Olympics twice? So in your Knowledge Quest, you're going to get questions like this. And now, if you want to state your opinion, you don't always need to say, I think. You could say something like, Lake Placid may have been chosen twice because of its ideal climate, right, for the Winter Olympics, and the facilities that were built for the first Olympics hosted in, what year was it? 1932. Who knows how much they really reuse? You know, they probably had to build new stadiums. Now, it's red underlining Olympics. I'm going to right-click on that. Ah, yes, we should capitalize the Olympics. Lake Placid, Maine. Looks like a good sentence to me. And then you're going to submit your answers after you're all done with the sheet. So that's how you copy and paste. And make sure there's some sentences, or questions rather, that really ask you your opinion, which you will be expected to write your own answer. All right, thank you.